Good morning. On Tuesday, 28th of March, new Bitcoin update. I didn't do an update yesterday. Bitcoin is not really clear what would be the next move. We are quite in a chop over here. But still, yeah, I'm looking at these levels where, which I showed you also the past weeks, that I said, well, looks like we could be doing a correction from here, but why not a repeat of this kind of pattern, and we go for my target at 29,300 more or less. Well, we got there almost, but not yet. That also gives me two scenarios if we look at Elliott wave. I did have a target in the red box. We didn't get there yet, hence my feeling that we still make that move. If not, this is, well, if we get there, we would complete leg number 3. If we go lower from here, that would mean we only have leg number 1, leg number 2, then 3, 4, 5, and that would bring leg number 3 somewhere over there, and maybe even much higher. A correction from here would be, yeah, would make sense. Look, this is the lower time frame, the 4 hour. This is the bullish case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the less bullish case would be that we have leg number 5 already in place, like this. And then I would say we are going to do some sort of correction like this. And then I would look at 24,000 going back into this zone, maybe even take them out, but that is a demand zone for me. And then maybe we make that move higher. So yeah, two scenarios, both would make sense if you look at this level. If we would correct from here, 24,000 would be around the 0.5, 0.618 fib level. Here, this would be the golden pocket here. Would absolutely make sense to go back to those levels, either from here or we do one more up. If I look at the lower time frame, it's what I do think here is very likely that if we go down from here, that we first make this kind of correction back to that diagonal, and if we get here in a corrective bounce, ABC, then possibly down again. On the very low time frame, what I did see for today is some might give some pressure on Bitcoin. For now, not really reacting on it, I must say, but we do have a gap in the dollar. It came down overnight. Was pretty weak this morning, but now is starting to fill that gap. And this is important to watch what happens after it filled that gap. And this gap, is it going to reverse like we saw last week? Or is it going to continue higher? Because on the higher time frames, I did think this was just a bullish flag and it should go up. But then this drop. So important to look what happens if it fills that gap. Is it going to continue lower or going up? And you can imagine the inverse move is applicable for Bitcoin. Here you see the similar gap which I showed you last week. You see here a gap. They are constantly getting filled. So a dollar filling the gap, and after that we will see the real direction for Bitcoin. That's it for today. I hope to see you tomorrow. If I have something interesting to show, when Bitcoin is chopping, I'm not doing updates. And that's it for now. Have a nice day.